Hifadhi na washikadau katika mpango wa kurejesha bonde la mto Thika wametoa wito kwa kampuni pamoja na wanyunyizaji maji wakubwa katika eneo hilo kupunguza kiwango cha maji taka na matajiri wanaoingia kwenye mto Thika, kwani vitendo vyao vinaathiri afya za watu na kuhatarisha wanyama na mimea ya majini. Grace Kuria na Eriod Kimani wa mpango wa kurejesha bonde la mto Thika wamebainisha kuwa maji ya mto huo yamechafuliwa kwa njia ambayo makampuni yameweza kutiririsha maji machafu mtoni na hivyo basi kuchangia katika uchafuzi wa mto huo.
We started this year. We did our kilometer, and we love the fact that the fire is catching. The other organization have started joining us. I'm informed MKU did theirs. We're also calling on other organizations to keep on repeating that and making sure that the work is done. But this river is cleaned, it is restored to what it was, so that we have clean water, and we have the initial Jorori, whatever they're calling Jorori, the beetle, something, Jorori back to the river. We also, because we are users of water,
bring them on board, request them kindly to come on board, because we as a community, we have now started coming on board technically to assist ourselves and them, and we are going to do a major job.
The lower part of the river, why we do not have Jorori, is because we have got so many industries, we have got large irrigators, we have got quite a number of activities that are going on, and the people who have got the industries, who have got those large farms, some of them are polluting the water, that is draining their waste into the river, and we want to create awareness. Some of them, it's not that they are not aware, but some of them is ignorance.
As KDF, we have a target of planting 450 million trees within the next 10 years. So we will continue pursuing this goal. Every year we'll continue to partner with different stakeholders so that we are able to achieve these targets.